Hi everyone, this is Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is for the week ending June 30th, 2019, the end of June. This trade happened on the 28th, which was Friday. The stock was good old Apple. It was based on a 60-minute DTS breakdown play with an entry on a 1-minute sell setup. The entry was advanced and the reward to risk 1.4 to 1. As usual, let's take a look at what's free this week at DTS. Monday night, the bi-weekly scanning night. I frequently go over a lot of good educational things, and during the scanning I frequently come across things that end up being trades that I take on a long-term basis, so be sure to be there. Always a good night, always a lot of fun. And this week is a holiday week. The markets will be closed on the 4th of July, which is Thursday, and also while the markets are open on Friday, DTS will be closed. There will not be a trading room and there will not be a daily market letter, so enjoy your 4-day weekend. Back to the job at hand. Apple, daily chart, not really relevant. This is before the trade and this is after the trade. Not a real big deal except for the fact it failed to make a new high and looked like a little bit of relative weakness on the daily chart. The play really originated and was falling for this chart on the 60-minute and 15-minute chart. They show the same thing. It really doesn't matter which one you look at. We had a 2-day consolidation. And what was nice on this day, particularly nice, the stock actually gapped down on this day while the market was gapping up a little bit. So we had that relative weakness across the board. That is the 15-minute chart just showing you the pattern. The whole trade was done during that opening hour, just on that one decline. The stock did end up retesting the low of the day, but on a Friday, I only took that initial move down. Here's a 5-minute chart giving you a little more detail of what happened. You can see right there again is that consolidation going into the open from the end of the prior day. And then the stock, that's the entry that I had right about in there. You can see that entry was on the way down after it ran up. I always like to see when I'm going to short something, I like to see it move higher initially. It gives me good parameters where to short it and how to short it. It ran up into that base. I got it on the way down at 199.24. Here's a little better look at the entry and how it played out on a 1-minute chart. Stock ran up that initial minute in there. There's where it opened. Ran up and I shorted just as it came off the top there, 199.24, stop 200.26. Target 1 on that quick drop as it trailed on a very sharp drop into 945. Target 2 right at 10 o'clock reversal time as it reversed. And I want to hang on to target 3 if I could going into lunch, but the stock refused to go any lower and it trailed out right there. It was a good thing it did because it did rally back quite a bit before dropping again. So overall, 3 quick targets, trade done in an hour for a Friday morning, one of my favorite type setups, and that was on Microsoft. This, like all the other trades you see in these Trade of the Week videos, are done in the DTS Trading Room. If you'd like to join us, come take a trial to the DTS Trading Room. You can find out how in the services page. This is Paul for DTS. Until next time, good trading, everybody.